Vending machines operate through a sophisticated blend of sensors and simple computing. The process starts with payment validation, the core step before selection and dispensing. Machines accept various forms of payment, from traditional coins to contactless methods. Precisely measure size, weight, and even electromagnetic properties to verify the coin's value. Are directed to the correct change slot or registered as credit for a purchase. Use advanced optical scanners to check authenticity, size, and color against an internal database. Contactless readers process encrypted data using chip technology or rapid RFID signals for tap-to-pay. Payment is verified. The user interacts with the machine to select the desired product. The precise computer signal to the machine's internal computer system. The computer then activates the motor corresponding to the selected product's spiral coil. It causes the spiral to turn, steadily pushing the item forward along the shelf. Dispensing mechanism relies on the item being pushed off the shelf and falling into the collection bin.
Drop sensors are positioned at the bottom to detect if the item successfully falls.
Feedback loop ensures the machine registers a completed transaction or otherwise initiates a recovery protocol. Not detected, the system may trigger a retry, spinning the coil again for a second chance.
Try fail. The machine's computer will automatically initiate a full refund to the customer.
Especially those handling delicate or liquid products, employ alternative dispensing methods.
Like conveyor belts or paddles are used to gently move items, preventing damage or breakage. Refrigeration is a key feature, maintaining perishable items at the correct, safe temperature.
It's a coolant to ensure drinks and food remain cold and refreshing for the consumer.
Each spiral coil is powered by a dedicated motor, precisely controlled by the central computer signal. Sends the necessary electrical current to activate the motor for the exact rotation required. Translate the motor's rotation into the slow, controlled movement needed to dispense the product reliably. It is highly redundant, using multiple sensors for maximum accuracy and fraud prevention.
Magnetic readings help determine the exact metal composition, crucial for coin identification.
Are neatly stacked in a separate internal compartment after passing the optical check.
Optical scanning ensures accurate verification of security features on paper currency.
Vending utilizes Internet of Things, or IoT, technology for enhanced operations.
IoT enables remote monitoring, allowing operators to check machine status from anywhere.
Management is streamlined, with real-time data on stock levels being transmitted constantly. Users gain insights into real-time sales data, optimizing stocking and product placement. Internal wiring acts as the nervous system, connecting all functional elements.
Are segregated to ensure stable operation and precise control over dispensing.
Also accurately divert change back to the consumer when a transaction requires it. Coin hopper stores change and releases the correct amount upon instruction from the computer. Product slot requires its own uniquely sized spiral to ensure a clean, reliable drop.
Machine casing provides structural integrity and insulation for temperature control.
Are critical for maintaining the internal temperature efficiently, minimizing energy consumption. Secure locking system protects the inventory and internal components from unauthorized access. The user interface includes a clear display for selection confirmation, price, and status messages. Pressing the selection button initiates the dispensing sequence via the computer signal.
And timing of the spiral's turn are calculated to ensure that the item reaches the drop zone.
Sensors must be positioned perfectly to catch the item's fall without interference.
Attempt fails, the motor receives a new, brief command for a second dispensing push. Supply converts and regulates external voltage to safely run the motors, computer, and sensors. Acts as the transaction manager, coordinating all payment, selection, and dispensing tasks. Rapidly travel across the board, processing inputs and issuing motor commands. For fragile items, the conveyor belt offers a far gentler, controlled descent to the collection bin. Ensure cold air is uniformly distributed across all shelves, not just the bottom. Consistent temperature is maintained through continuous monitoring and coolant adjustments. Transaction processing is vital, involving hardware-level encryption of payment details. Is a precise track, ensuring bills are straightened and aligned for neat stacking. Are immediately routed back to the coin return slot without entering the machine's credit. And to only turn forward, preventing users from pulling items backward off the shelf.
Framework is robust, supporting heavy inventory and minimizing vibration during operation.
Infrared drop sensor consists of a paired emitter and receiver, creating an invisible light curtain. Noise and vibration are minimized through secure mounting to maintain a quiet operating environment. Centralized machines may use gentle heating elements to maintain product temperature. Maintenance port allows technicians to access the computer for diagnostics and software updates.
All sensors is aggregated by the computer and sent through the IoT connection.
Shelving is often modular, allowing operators to easily adjust heights and spiral sizes for different products.
It uses high-intensity light to illuminate and check the intricate security features of the bill.
And precise timing ensure only a single bill enters the validation path.
Backup provides momentary power in case of an outage, preventing transaction loss.
Bin is designed with a soft landing surface to prevent damage to the dispensed item. Roll coils represents the entire available inventory, each awaiting its activation signal. Central drive shaft may transfer power efficiently to all the different dispensing motors. Internal environmental sensors monitor conditions to ensure optimal product storage quality.
The system manages condensation produced by the refrigeration process.
Path is cleared of any residual coins to ensure the correct change delivery. Move in a synchronized rhythm to slide items safely onto the collection surface. RFID antenna captures the secure signal from a tapped card or mobile device. Include alarms to deter tampering and unauthorized internal access.
Reverses or stops immediately after the drop to prevent accidentally pushing the next item.
Connection ports allow it to communicate precisely with every sensor and actuator.
Are identified by the optical and magnetic scanners and are typically rejected immediately. Their lights provide clear status updates to the customer regarding availability and transaction process. High technical detail of the machine's components highlights its precision engineering. A vending machine seamlessly integrates payment, selection, and electromechanical dispensing. Process ensures reliable and accurate product delivery with every customer interaction.